Hey, this is a quick review on the DZ09 smartwatch, which is a really inexpensive watch that packs quite a punch. Here it is in the box. We got ourselves a nice big screen here. Just tap the bottom, you get the watch. You can change the displays on it just by tapping twice on it to whatever display you want it to stay on. Now let's turn it on here. Hold the button down to turn it on, I guess it is. And there we go. And so you got your phones and your settings, and you got this will take your contacts from your phone and put them on your watch or synchronize them, which is really cool. And so you could dial out right from here and look at your contacts. Even your text messages will show up on here. So we'll go ahead and see some of the apps that it comes pre-downloaded with. It looks like some kind of Office. I actually haven't checked that out yet, but if you want to type documents on here, I wouldn't recommend it. Oh no, that's just for no, I'm sorry, that says profiles. Man, I can't see. This phone is or this camera is really blurry. Sorry about that. So anyway, let's check out the other apps here. We got a pedometer, of course. Oh, and you got your Facebook on here. Man, if I could see this a little bit better. Let me see if I can clear. Okay, that's a little better. So you got Facebook on here, your web browser, which is really cool there. Whoops, I'm not trying to. You got Twitter, sleep monitor. Let's check out the camera there. Ooh, there you go. Hey, there's my hand. Yeah, pretty cool little camera on this watch. Let's see what else you can see. If I can just focus on here. Well, that's pretty cool. So, you know, one other thing I'll have to say about this is that the battery life is really impressive. I've had this on for maybe about 3 days now, and the battery's still saying 100%. So I've had other smartwatches that I've been having to charge maybe every day, every other day. This seems like it might, I don't know how long it's going to last, but I've had it for about a week now, and I've only had it on for about 3 days, but it's been showing full charge. So we'll take out the watch from the box. Let's take a quick look at it. Now it's really cool looking. I got the white edition. There's a whole bunch of different colors. The one thing, it has a nice metal bevel, real metal here. The one thing I don't really like is the band is kind of like a cheap feeling band, but on a good note is you can get that band changed. Go to Walmart, they have other bands you can put on, like a nice leather one. Or I think maybe I would like the way the black looks better. But got the white, and overall it's a really cool looking watch. The screen's really nice. You can't really tell on this video, but a pretty clear screen for such an inexpensive smartwatch. Now, when it's on your arm, you really feel like a baller. Like, it looks like a really expensive watch. Has a nice feel on it on your arm, and it's just a reliable watch. You could just check the time and everything, and I do recommend it. So go check the link in the description. It's a very inexpensive watch. I believe it's less than $30, maybe around the $20 price range. It's a top seller on Amazon, and it's no wonder why, because it's such a good watch. So if you want to have a cool smartwatch and not spend a lot of money, check out this DZ09. Links in the description.